Open a Nedbank My Goals and Just Save account. Register on netbankcup.co.za to stand a chance of winning money, 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 money. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Orlando Pirates 1, Marumo Kalan 0. I'm joined by Umenier Wetiski. Don't forget to subscribe.
Right, Steve.
I'm not.
Right, Steve.
Yeah, I'm the best.
Steve, before siqalile ukuzana interview nje singena kwi game nanani. Ngifuna utshela abantu ne. Uma ufika la stadium ufike igame bisiqalile. Yini into engikubonisa yona?
Ungibonisa ama-notes.
Ama-notes abekuphi?
Bewasifoni.
Ngathini kuwena after kubonisa ama-notes?
Usowabhalile wathi uzongitshela ngawo after game.
Ngithena igame injani? Isazodlala or isishaye?
Uthe seyiphelile for.
Yeah, beku 10 minutes igame iqala ngethe isishaye. Yazi why Sipho?
Kanjani mina?
Sipho ngiyacela la isicelo lesi thu ama fans nethi.
Yes.
Ama fans ngicela afike early stadium.
Yes.
Uma kuzodlala igame. Why ngisho so? Sibo i-warm up uma ama team eshaya i-warm up akusikhona ukuthi bashisa igazi ukuthi bengene egamini. I-warm up Sibo it tells you a lot ngama tactics of the day. For ama team oyi2.
Okay.
Ingakho ngitshelile uma ufika ukuthi mina isishayile sengitshelile le game izohamba kanjani. You understand? Okay, ake singene la.
So conclude.
Yes, ake singene la. Sibo i-warm up iyakutshela ukuthi ama team how are they going to take and defend ama set pieces. Alright, if ngisho njalo i-warm up iyakutshela ukuthi ama team are they going to do man marking, zonal marking or mix marking. Omunye umuntu uzoyibuza ukuthi izini zonke lezo zinto. If sibheka i-man marking, each player is assigned to mark to mark i-player, right? If sikhuluma which means it's man to man lapho if we man marking. If sikhuluma zonal marking, which means each player is assigned a zone or an area or space to defend. If alright, if shy mix marking is a combination of both man marking nani zonal marking. You understand? So lezi zinto lezi ziyakutshela sibona nge-warm up. Again, i-warm up iyasitshela ukuthi ama team how are they going to attack ama set pieces. Who goes to the near post, who goes to far post. Normally ama strikers they attack near post and then ama defenders or ama center back they go to far post. You understand? They also tell us ukuthi ama team are they going to play ama in swingers or ama out swingers. Akugcini lapho Sipho i-warm up iyasitshela again ukuthi ama team are they going to rely on channel crosses or half space cutbacks. You understand? Or during i-game imapha ama-pass esizowathola egamini. If ngikhuluma ngama-pass ngikhuluma ngani? Ama team are they going to play ama diagonal passes or ama direct passes? How are the teams going to structure their defensive lines? You understand? Ake singene kwi-warm up ke now.
Khuluma
I-warm up ye-Pirates Umbokazi noSibisi bebe in pay bedlala ama diagonal passes kwi-warm up. You understand? uDlamini noNdlondlo bebe in pay bedlala ama diagonal passes as well. Uzoba noVan Rooyen noNkota bedlala ama close short passes. You understand? Sizoba no Marco and uVan Rooyen bedlala ama half spaces cutbacks with uMahupa attacking in near post with uMaswanganyi behind uMahupa.
Okay.
You understand lokho Steve? Again sibe nama i-Pirates kuyo map yenza something esibizwa ngokuthi ama channel crosses obekuyina bekwa ama out swingers with i-decoy runner to near post and an actual header ebe behind i-decoy run.
Okay.
Ake sibheke la Sipho zonke lezi zinto esengikhulume ngazo i-Pirates ikore kanjani today? Ubona indlela ikore ngayo?
Ngixplainele mina.
Bengasi i-cutback?
Ngase cutback from Maswangana.
Angikhuluma ngama cutback ukuthi bebewenza manje.
Ushi.
angisho ukuthi Sithibe umap ukuthi ibalekile ukuthi sibheke mina I knew from the moment benze umap ukuthi we stand a good chance of scoring ngama cutback because izinto bebezenza kuphi during warm up uthi ngibuze so umbokazi ubengawadlala ama diagonal passes during igame
bekawadlala
uSibisi ubengawadlala uDlamini ubengawadlala uNdlonje umengena akawadlalanga
wadlalile mina
lezi zinto ngibone kuphi ngibone during iwarm up which means iwarm up injani Sithibe ibaluleke kakhulu Sithibe coming to imarumo as well okay before size kwimarumo uVan Rooyen noNkota remember ngithe bedlala ini ama close short passes
yes
lento besitshela ukuthini besitshela uVan Rooyen uzophusha kakhulu esondele eduze kwaNkota sibone ngewomap understand imarumo yona kwiwomap yayibi there wasn't much into bebeyenza kakhulu bebedlala ama 6 yard passes or ama cutbacks ne because igame yabe bikutshela ukuthi bafuna ukudlala yini bafuna ukudlala i-mid block ne bese besibamba ngani besibamba ngespeed bese beyodlala yini bekwazi ukubodlala lama cutback or ama 6 yard passes unfortunately bebengeke like they stood no chance because iPirates deploy in rest defense kabani kaMbokazi uSibisi kanye no Paseka Makho so leyo nto iyatshela ukuthi uma kunespeed uSibisi unespeed noMbokazi unespeed remember kule game abasidle kuyona eBloom bebesibamba ngani bebesibamba nge-counter attack i-rest defense yethu kwakhona uxoki that day wayengekho good ngani ngespeed so today kwenziwe njani kwafaka uPaseka Makho wazodlala noMbokazi kanye nobani noSibisi hence why they stood no chance we counter attack understand Sithibe coming to our tactics remember last game ngicela ngathi Pirates i flexible with our tactics last game we played e343 on paper and then on build ups we played e451 and then out of position must defender we played e541 today kube nama changes abekhona kwi line up umfukhe ngibengeka boSipho Chane bengeka which means lonto bikutshela ukuthini even ama tactics bekumele siwa change because lama player bengekho today kuba ne difference yani on build ups we played e343 with uMbokazi uSibisi kanye noPaseka Makho besiqalela ibhola kuyi3 uVan Rooyen ephushe high ekuphe eswini benobani benohoto bedlale nobani no Makhawula kanye noDlamini and then ifront 3 yethu kuzoba uMahupa uMaswanganyi kanye noNkota and then out of position must defender uVan Rooyen ube drop ehambe ushaya right back sesibanga ke back sesiba yi4 uNkota drop ezeswini uMaswanganyi drop ezeswini which means sinobani sinoNkota sinohoto sinoMaswanganyi sinoDlamini noMakhawula sesibanga sesiba yi5 sistriker ngobani ngoMahupa so before ngivale i-man of the match yami ngigaya uMakhawula yes I know ukuthi uDlamini uyishayile man of the match but bengigaya uMakhawula i-beast leya uyala uMakhawula ulwakhulu so i-man of the match yami bengigaya yena Sithibe sengivala
top analysis
ngiyabona
top analysis
Sithibe I think siyabonga na kwi-channel for the first time today someone benginobafo lapha for the first time sondela bafana
sabro
for the first time today since ngijoin i-channel kuze a fan izosincoma into esiyenzayo after game for the first time since ngijoin i-channel understand so siyabonga kakhulu i-platform enisinikeza yona Sithibe sengivala isikole bengifunda kusona high school i-motto yakhona ibithi perseverance is the mother of success iqonda ukuthini lento ngibhekise kuNdlonje uNdlonje kade engadlali mekuphela isizini lesibuya kuyona nakule season ubenjani ubengadlali kodwa uqhubekele wenze njani
persevere
wabekezela i chance uyayithola manje akayisebenzisi uyayisebenzisa thank you Sithibe
thank you man